I'm Greg Dewar, broker and owner at Dewar Realty, where we guarantee to sell your home in 15 days or I'll pay you $10,000. Today we're at 506 Hyannis Court in Cambridge, and these homeowners have been working overtime getting this beautiful 3-bedroom semi-detached home ready for you. So let's get inside. Thanks for joining us today. This home has just hit the market, so if you'd like to see it, be sure to contact your realtor or get in touch with us directly. Our contact details are in the description. And before you go, make sure to like and share this video if you know someone who might be excited to see this home today.